Photo from you, favorites folder, Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I'll show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT, just like this. And from here you have to go to new stickers at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. So here you just have to click until you find the desired sticker, and you will also find many other viral stickers like this one, for example, or this one. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I will do the story, I will show you from where you can get a tutorial which will show you how to solve this problem. So first, let's do our story. You have to go to your uploads and choose a photo that you think is your favorite or from your favorites folder. So I will go with this photo. You can place your sticker where you want, and once you are happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. So now let me show you. If you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? From my Instagram page, you have to go to super viral at highlights, and here you'll find the first story, which is not able to click on add yours button. Then you can click on this YouTube link right here. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.